Welcome to DSE WebNet, DSE's industry-leading online SCADA tool for managing generators, pumps and compressors in real time from anywhere in the world. DSE WebNet is designed to maximize system uptime, optimize fleet revenues, effectively monitor maintenance and servicing schedules, and allow users to control equipment remotely. Key features include geofencing and asset tracking. Create a virtual geographic boundary around equipment using GPS to notify users if equipment is moved beyond it and monitor equipment location to assist recovery. Configurable user interfaces. Create customized user interfaces using configurable widgets and templates to allow users to view key equipment and site data quickly and easily. Event triggers. Notify users via email or SMS when specific conditions occur, including active alarms, low fuel levels and genset status. Maintenance scheduling and logging. Plan and customize essential maintenance of equipment operating schedules and keep logs of previous maintenance work. Works across any phone network. Compatible with SIM cards from any network provider, allowing our DSE 890 and DSE 891 to be used around the world. App for mobile and tablet. Available for iOS and Android devices. The app can be linked to sites pre-configured using a desktop connection to provide additional control and monitoring access. Learn more about the benefits remote monitoring will bring to your business